Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Vineet Malhotra, urologist and andrologist and male health specialist at VNA Hospital, New Delhi. So, if you are considering or need to have a implant procedure, you will select one of the two: a malleable implant or an inflatable implant. A malleable implant, which is always hard and only can be folded or bent when a sexual act is not desired. They are broadly defined into those that have a form that does not change. They only change their shape, which means they can be folded, bent, and they may have an internal core which will allow them to have a memory. So they are called the malleable implants. I'm going to start with the simplest implant. Now, this is called the Shah penile prosthesis. This is the Indian implant. It is a complete all silicon implant and it can be bent when intercourse is not desired, and it comes back to its straight position when out of clothing, which means once clothing is taken off, then it will be in a standing position. Now, this is the simplest form of implant available. It is a type of malleable semi-rigid implant. It is called the Shah penile prosthesis. It is an Indian implant. It is an all silicon device. It has variable, we call it differential rigidity, which means a little soft at the top, rigid in the center, a hinge in the center so that it can be bent, and moderate rigidity at the rear end. It works very well. It's a functional implant. So those that have affordability issues, cost as a concern, choose this implant because it is relatively inexpensive compared to all the other implant procedures. And this allows us to do a procedure for those that may not afford the more expensive implants. It functions well since it doesn't have any core. It has these sleeves which allow it a fair degree of versatility to be used in all kinds of patients. And since it doesn't have a core, it has a very long life. So practically we call it a lifelong device. It doesn't fail and a useful device for a lot of men. The only issue that we see is with concealability, because as soon as the person is disrobed or he's without clothes, the implant will be in erect position and is only held in a bent position within clothing. Now, this is the next kind of malleable implant, and within this we have several options which may include the malleable from Boston that's called the Tactra. This is also a malleable implant, but it has a fair degree of rigidity and concealability because these come with memory, which means that when erection is not desired, the penis can be bent into a position that can be concealed. And when erection is desired, this is straightened again and intercourse may be had. This has a nickel titanium core within and allows good activity with good amount of strength. So this gives a reasonably good rigidity for performance of the act and is amongst the popular choices for malleable implants that give good rigidity with concealability. There are several other options also, like the Zephyr implant, which is also a malleable implant which gives good rigidity and concealability, and the tube Promedon. This is the tube Promedon and the Zephyr implant, both of which also form the complete the list of malleable implants. There are malleable implants from other manufacturers too, such as Rigicon and Coloplast. The Coloplast not being registered for use in India at present, but that completes the list of malleable implants available. They have the advantage that because there are no hydraulic or mechanical components, separate components within these, they practically last the patient for his lifetime. If you have more questions or concerns or need to undergo a penile prosthesis procedure, you may contact at Cure India and they will assist you with the same. Thank you.
If you are interested in treatment in India, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a new video from us.